So this is John, and let's do another quick demo. This time I'm going to demo the IVR and how helpful it can be. So uh, I'm going to give you a scenario and create an IVR that's going to help me fulfill that scenario. So scenario is I've built a software and I need help marketing it. So I'm going to find marketing people and I'm going to try to solicit their help. So for that, I'm going to create a marketing help IVR. To try to get help marketing text in bulk through text in bulk. So here we go. I'm going to create my first step. I'm going to record the audio and I'm going to just try to think of what I want to say here real quick. So I think I figured it out, so I'm just going to wing it and record it. Hi, this is John. Actually, I need help marketing a software that my company built. If you or your company can help me with this and you can talk to me now, press 1. If you can help me with this, but you need to schedule a time to talk to me later, press 2. If you can't help me with this at all, press 3. So now I'm going to get some numeric input. Hi, this is John. Actually, I need help. Okay. So let's add my options. Here's options 1. You were going to talk to me. Awesome. Thank you. Just hold on and we'll be connected. So I'm going to forward that to my Skype number, actually. So add another option, option 2. Now let's just record audio. Great. When you hear the beep, just tell me the best time to schedule the call and I'll take care of everything else. Press star when you're done. Thank you. That's just going to go to voicemail. And add another option. This is option 3. Okay, no problem. Go ahead and hang up. And this is going to be another voicemail. Now, we're just going to go in and test this out. Give my Skype number and go ahead and call and select that IVR we just created, which was marketing help, and call from, I'm going to call from the text in bulk main line. So that 786 number. I'll bring up Skype over here, and that's my IVR calling. Hi, this is John. Actually, I need help marketing a software that my company built. If you or your company can help me with this and you can talk to me now. So I'm going to go back to this marketing help. And I'm going to call all these
Awesome.
people.
Thank you. Just hold on and we'll be connected.
Now it's connecting me to myself now. So just ended that. So now I'm going to go ahead and call all these people. And I'm going to call them from a random number. So now that call just went out to those 31 people and see if any of them can actually help me and call me. But not only that, we're going to go to these only landlines. And first, we're going to see if this above 50 problem was fixed. Now, sometimes there are bugs in a software, but we tend to fix those pretty easily and pretty quickly. So let's just look at this entire list. And let's select all these guys and call all these guys with that same marketing help IVR and that same random number. And let's go ahead and create that. Now it says it's created that request. There we go. Hello, it's John.
Yeah, hi John. My name is Chris Ornelas. I just got a call from your company.
Yeah, hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great. Hey, what phone number did I call? What's your company's phone number? Or the name of your company?
It's ICU now, and it's 370-4078.
Say the number one more time.
ICU now, except the I is
I'm
spelled
just calling to
QI.
have you remove our number from your call list. Are you there?
Yeah, I think I just made a mistake and
Hello?
merged. Yeah, I'm sorry. I think I made a mistake and answered two calls at the same time. Weird.
Yeah, they're
it
two
was
separate
weird, the
companies,
automated
but they
message
both
said,
ring at the
I'm
front
looking
desk.
for
So
help with
yeah, go
marketing,
ahead and
and
take.
that is what we do, so.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just had to disconnect another call. There was somebody else on the line. I'm sorry. I had another person calling me, and I meant to end that call so that I didn't hear the Skype noise, but I actually hit join, so some lady was speaking in my ear. I'm so sorry, but I do actually need help marketing, and I sent that call out to a bunch of people. That's why that lady was actually calling me. But I do need help marketing. So do you guys have any experience in marketing like SaaS softwares?
Software as a service?
Yeah.
We kind of work with anybody, really. Our client base goes from, real estate to attorneys to cleaning services to, actually one client we just got is more of a business consulting firm, but I think the direction they're headed in is software as a service as well, and they're called Samplicate. So yeah, we are able to handle that kind of service.
Okay.
It really just depends on, I'm able to analyze your competitors as they are right now, and kind of show you what they're doing, kind of behind the scenes things. So the first thing that I'd like to do is give you that report, and that's, there's no cost for that. So that'd be a good place to start.
That'd be an awesome that'd be an awesome place to that'd definitely be an awesome place to start. Honestly, I really need help from a marketing perspective. So I'm an engineer, not really. I can do management, not so great. I mean, I can do
Sure.
sales as well, but not so great really with marketing.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of different angles to it. There's, of course, everything goes back to the website, but now you have social and just overall search engine optimization, and they all kind of come together. But yeah, let me get your name first of all. It's John, right?
Yeah, it's John.
And your number?
Uh, well, the number that you're actually calling right now is 812-722-4722.
Mm-hmm. 4722.
Yeah, if you hit
Okay,
option
and
one, that's where that routes to.
gotcha. And what about your email?
It's John, Jon, at
Hmm.
think like use your brain, Vaughn, like Vince Vaughn, V as in Victor, AUGHN.com.
What was the first word?
Think like use your brain.
John.
Yeah, it's John,
Think.
John at thinkvaughn.com. My name is John Vaughn.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Cool. And three competitors.
Oh God, not really. Honestly, I'm not really sure that if anybody's doing exactly what we're actually doing. So actually have to look in more to give you competitors. So I'm not really sure. I can tell
What's your
you
web?
the so the website that we use right now, which we don't use other than just development, it's textinbulk.com.
Say that again.
Text, like send a text message. In
Hmm.
bulk, like large quantity.com, textinbulk.com.
Okay, so this isn't used for any marketing at all.
No, it's just the poor. It's just that there's like a real stupid landing page, like homepage, just to have a homepage, and then there's a sign up mechanism and a login mechanism that allows you to actually log into the application and use the application. The application basically lets you acquire phone numbers, so you can go in and register local numbers or toll-free numbers, and then use them to create like opt-in SMS lists. People can now send a keyword to one of your phone numbers to be opted into a list where you then periodically send them out. Something like I sent you out an IVR, because what I did it through the software. So literally, what I just did is, and we're actually on a webinar right now where people are watching how to actually use the software because I don't know how else to do marketing. But literally, I just went into the software and I did one type of search in the software, which just uses Google Business places. It uses that Google API, and I basically put in Austin, Texas, and then I put in the keyword marketing, and that gave me back like 133 people. And then I just created that IVR. I just went through step by step, really, really simple, and created that audio that said, hey, if you can help me with this, press one. If you can do it right now, press two. If you can do it, but you need to schedule time later, press three if you can't. And then I just broadcast that out to all those people from a number that I just acquired in the platform. And I can do that with several different types of leads, either those Google business leads, or I can get leads that just registered a domain recently, or I can get leads right off my website. So I can get like a little widget on my website where somebody can just click that widget and then click a call button or an SMS button and be instantly connected with somebody that is capable to handle that person that's on your website and wants to talk to somebody right now about whatever your website's telling, trying to convert in. So, or if you use Facebook lead ads and you create Facebook lead ads and people go in and they submit that form, if you want to capture those people, you can do that as well. Or if you have your own CRM that you use already, then you can go in and just export that data and import it into our system. And you can see the entire chat history that you had. All the calls are recorded, so you can go back and listen to the calls. If you have multiple salespeople or multiple departments, you can go in and get a phone number for each department. And you can even forward that number to another number, but having that middle number basically allows you to track everything and monitor all the agents or people who are dealing with potential customers or actual customers on behalf of your business.
Yeah. Wow, that's going to be a really cool service. So you're in the testing phase right now, huh?
Yeah, so literally what we are is we're a software firm. We have 30, 31 resources, and 29 of them hold degrees in software engineering. Mostly work for other software companies that hire our developers out like on a contract, independent contract basis because they don't want to go through the hassle of hiring another full-time worker for some overflow work for, let's say, 2 weeks or 6 months. They don't want to offer another permanent position in their company, so they hire our developers on contract. They work directly with them and everything. And then in our spare time, whenever whenever we're not doing that, we build our own products. And this is the first product that we actually want to go to the market with and get users in so that we can replace that service-based revenue with the subscription model revenue, and then just kind of being like a free roam as engineers, where if we just want to do nothing but build a robot, then we can just do that because we don't have to worry about doing stuff for other people to make money because we already did that.
Yeah. Wow, that's pretty cool. I can see why you wouldn't know exactly who your competitors are, which if it came down to not having any, that's even better because then it's easier to rank for certain phrases that you want to go after if your niche is more unique than anybody else's. So so that could be a good thing. But you probably do need to, I guess, ask around with your team and see if there are any types of competitors out there, and just let me know, and I can definitely put something together for you.
Yeah, I just have to do that. I just have to do that myself. I have to do that research myself. What was your phone number again?
Yeah. 512-370-4078.
Yeah, this is I See You Now, right?
Yep.
What's your name?
Chris?
What's a good email for you, Chris?
It is Chris, CHRIS. Or you know what, just send it to info@icunow.com.
Info@yourdomain.
And that will reach it.
Info@yourdomain.com.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I'll just send you.
All right.
I'll just send you something out there that kind of can give you a little bit more information. I'll try to find a couple competitors, and send you that. But I'm sure I could kind of find some, but they don't do exactly what we do.
And that's fine, even if it's something, a little bit of something that you do would help, because then it also helps me build my list out on phrases that are will be potential good ones for you.
Right. I guess it's good to identify. I guess that's part of marketing anyways, is identifying the things that we do differently than our competitors, or what we do that they don't do, to create some competitive edge or something.
Yeah, and not only that, but I know you're the engineer behind it, but another thing to do is think like the potential client as far as what phrases they're going to put in, which will probably be less technical than what the way you describe it. So that would be another list that we'd work on for you.
Do you have any idea like what I should expect, and like what's a realistic expectation for me to have in my brain that I should be spending on marketing?
Oh, they range pretty. You're going to get a range of prices, like anywhere from, a beginner's package of $500 a month to $2,000 a month. It just depends on a few things, like how fast you want the turnaround to happen, as far as ranking. But at the same time, it could also depend on how competitive your category is. Like if we find that you don't have much competition out there, then it's going to be easier and less expensive to help to do your marketing.
Right. And I don't really care so much about ranking on a search engine anyways. I mean, I don't mind doing like PPC ads where I don't need to rank. I just need to expose myself to a user base and get them to convert and buy. And if it costs me $2 or $7 or $12 or X amount for a lead that's going to yield Y amount initial payment at some conversion rate, and then they're going to yield some summation function of a residual function over time, I don't have a problem. I'd much rather just pay to get that dude right now instead of waiting for 3 to 6 months to have some ranking in a search engine where somebody's going to find me organically. I don't really need them to find me organically. I just need them to find me right now and buy my software.
Right. I mean, ideally, if you did both of them, like if you do both pay-per-click and organic, eventually, like you said, you're going to get the quick return from the ads. But it wouldn't hurt to eventually have the organic rankings as well. And they both, when you have them both going on, they work well together. But I know what you mean though. If you're looking for something now, then yeah, the ads are going to be the way to go.
Yeah, I gotta get something. I gotta get something now. I I mean, I don't got to, but I would like to.
Sure. Yeah. Well, then definitely send me an email with, like I said, some ideas on phrasing and potential competitors, and I'll put that report together for you.
Yep, I'll send you some information. We can go from there. Okay.
That sounds good. Thanks.
All right. Thanks for talking to me, man. Have a good one.
Bye, you too.
Bye. So there is inbound marketing right there. That is one of the features of our software. So you saw exactly how to do it. That's it for right now.